Hello everyone, how are you? In this video we will learn 3-letter words. So let's start and repeat the words after me. Rat, R-A-T. Bat, B-A-T. Mat, M-A-T. Cat, C-A-T. Man, M-A-N. Van, V-A-N. Fan, F-A-N. Can, C-A-N. Hat, H-A-T. Map, M-A-P. Bed, B-E-D. Red, R-E-D. Pen, P-E-N. Hen, H-E-N. One, O-N-E. Bag, B-A-G. Dog, D-O-G. Net, N-E-T. Ice, I-C-E. Jug, J-U-G. Mug, M-U-G. Pot, P-O-T. Hit, H-I-T. Sit, S-I-T. Big, B-I-G. Pig, P-I-G. Wig, W-I-G. Pin, P-I-N. Win, W-I-N. Mop, M-O-P. Top, T-O-P. Dot, D-O-T. Hot, H-O-T. Cut, C-U-T. Sun, S-U-N. Run, R-U-N. Hut, H-U-T. Nut, N-U-T. Wet, W-E-T. Fox, F-O-X. So friends, did you enjoy this video? So please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. Thank you.